Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Acuity Scheduling for appointment workflows step by step clearly. To register with Acuity Scheduling for appointment workflows, start by visiting the Acuity Scheduling website. Look for the Get Started button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on this button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to select a plan that best fits your needs. Acuity offers different subscription options, so review each plan carefully. Once you've chosen a plan, click on the Continue button. Next, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Input a valid email address that you frequently use. Create a strong password for your account, ensuring it meets the specified criteria. After entering your password, proceed by clicking on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Acuity Scheduling. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your account. Now return to the Acuity Scheduling website and log in using your email and password. Upon logging in, you will see the setup wizard prompting you to fill out basic information. Provide your business name and any other requested details. You'll then set your availability for appointments, specifying days and times. Next, customize your appointment types, including durations and descriptions. You can also add any necessary intake forms or payment options during this step. Continue following the prompts to tailor your scheduling settings. Review all entered information to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, finalize your setup by clicking the Save or Finish button. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Acuity Scheduling for appointment workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.